Tucker, and welcome to Russian with Passion. Today we're going to talk about the weather, quite an important topic, don't you agree? Well, of course it's very crucial to know what the weather is going to be like. That's why it's so important to study this vocabulary. So, to understand the weather forecasts, to be able to ask somebody, to be able to understand somebody, that's what we are going to learn to do in terms of the weather. So, the first word which we're going to study today is the most important word in this topic, and it is the weather itself. And it is погода in Russian. So we say погода. Repeat after me. Погода. Good. So, now let's talk about the question you can ask using this word. So you can say, какая погода сегодня? What is the weather like today? Какая погода сегодня? You can say, какая погода завтра? Tomorrow. What is the weather like tomorrow? Какая погода завтра? Okay, let's move on. Now we're going to study some adjectives which you can use in connection with this word. So you can say that the weather is good. Погода хорошая. Хорошая погода. Погода хорошая. The translation will be the weather is good. Notice that in Russian we skip the verb. We simply say погода хорошая. Хорошая погода. Good weather. Сегодня хорошая погода. The weather is good today. Сегодня хорошая погода. Let's study some more adjectives so that you could describe the weather. We can also say прекрасная погода. Fine weather. Прекрасная погода. Замечательная погода. Great weather. Замечательная погода. Чудесная погода. Wonderful weather. Чудесная погода. Now let's talk about some less optimistic ways to describe the weather. So you can say нормальная. The weather is okay. Погода нормальная. Нормальная. Плохая. Bad. Плохая погода. Bad weather. Так себе. So-so. Погода так себе. The weather is so-so. Notice that так себе can be used only after the noun погода. So, because так себе is not an adjective, like in Russian, so-so is not an adjective. And ужасная, terrible. Погода ужасная. The weather is terrible. Погода ужасная. Okay, now let's study some more ways you can ask somebody what the weather is like. So we have already studied какая погода. What is the weather like? Какая погода сегодня? Today. Какая погода завтра? Tomorrow. You can also say как там на улице? What's it like there? Or what's it like out? Как там на улице? Also, you can talk about the temperature and say какая температура? What is the temperature outside? Какая температура? Какая температура на улице? You can say сколько градусов? It will be something how many degrees are there outside? In English you can say what is the temperature. In Russian you can say какая температура? Or сколько градусов? Сколько градусов на улице? What else? You can talk about the weather forecast. Прогноз. Прогноз погоды. Какой прогноз? Какой прогноз погоды? Какой прогноз на завтра? Tomorrow. Какой прогноз на сегодня? What is the weather forecast for today? Or tomorrow. Завтра. Okay, I guess that's it. We're going to study some more questions, but not today. Let's move on and study some adverbs denoting what the weather is like. So you can say жарко, hot, жарко. Oh my god. Жарко, hot. You can also say warm. Тепло. 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 Warm. Прохладно. Cool. Прохладно or chilly. Прохладно. Холодно. Cold. Холодно. Cold. Очень холодно. Freezing. Очень холодно. It's like very cold. Очень холодно. So you can say сегодня жарко. It's hot today. Сегодня холодно. It's cold today. And so on. Let's practice a little bit. I'm going to say the phrase in English. Your job is to translate it. It's hot today. It's cool today. Or it's chilly today. How do you say that in Russian? It's warm tomorrow. Завтра тепло. Завтра тепло. You can talk about yesterday, but then you should add было. Вчера было жарко. Yesterday it was hot. Okay, let's continue. What else? Speaking about the snow, the rain, the sun and clouds and so on, we're going to study this particular vocabulary later in our next class, but that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video lesson and you study some new words and expressions and ways to ask a question about the weather. Hope that you enjoyed it, you liked it. If you did, please push the button, like the video, and keep studying Russian and English with me. So hope to see you soon. Comment, like, share, follow me. I really enjoy when you do that. So see you next time. Happy Russian and English practice. Bye.